Dear students, now we are going to see question number 16 of T20 worksheet. The question is asked by Himanshu, but I think the question is very simple. I don't know what problem or what doubt is there. Let us see. Maybe in solution it may be clear. The question is the find expression for national motional electromotive force. That is the question, and it is the portion of theory that we have been discussed in previous one also. That is what E is equal to BLV. Already we have done, so we are not going to discuss it here. If you want, you can check your PPTs also. E is equal to BLV. So that is. Now the second portion of this, a jet plane is traveling towards west and speed of the plane is 1800 km per hour. What is the voltage developed between the ends of the wings having a span of 25 meter? The Earth's magnetic field has magnitude 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla, and the dip is angle of dip is 30 degree. Okay, let's see. First of all, I'm going to list it out here. What are the things which is given to us? So first one given, that is what? Speed or velocity, that is what? 1800 kilometer per hour, and at the same time I'm changing it into meter per second. We all know that we have to multiply it by 5 by 18, that is 100, and simply it is what? 500 meter per second. Now the next one is what is the voltage developed? That is to find out span, means L is given to us, that is what? 25 meter. Some students used to have confusion whether we are to take 25 or 50. So wings span, if it is given, because it is what? Wings, not wing. Wings means both the wings are included. If only one wing was written there, then we have to double it. So remember that thing. Okay, the Earth's magnetic field is also given to us, that is what? B is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Okay, and the angle of dip is also given, that is what? Del is given 30 degree. Okay, so now to find E, formula we have the formula E is equal to BLV, simply. Okay, so induced EMF to be calculated using this, E is equal to BLV. L is known to us, V is known to us. What about B? That is the point which we should discuss. Let's see what is given to us. Remember, the thing given to us is this, B, and plane is going in this direction, means it is intersecting this vertical component of magnetic field. The angle is given this 30 degrees. So I can say what is the relation between these two, B and BV. BV means vertical component of Earth's magnetic field. What should be it? So I can say BV is equal to B cos del. So what is B? Let's see. 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into cos 30 degree. Put the values. 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into root 3 by 2. So ultimately what I am having here, BV is equal to 5 root 3 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Now things are very clear to us. Again use the formula, that same formula, that is E is equal to BLV. Now what is B here? That is this BV. Put the value of BV, 5 root 3 upon 2 into L, 25. It is, we have been discussed why 25. Then V 500. just solve it and have the answer. If I'm going to solve it, then it is what, 250. So just 25 into 25, 625 into 5 root 3. I'm putting the value 6 and into one more thing, I sorry, I forgot. Here it is 10 to the power minus 4 also, so it will be what, 10 to the power minus 4. Now 625 0 into 5 into 1.73 into 10 to the power minus 4. We have to multiply all this. If we are going to multiply, then we are going to have the answer of this. The basic thing is what? We must remember the concept. If we are able to remember the concept, then only we are able to solve these all questions. Okay, if I am going to multiply all these, then I am going to have 54062.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt now. Okay, so I can write this like this now, 5.4 volt simply. So how much voltage will be induced across the wings of a jet plane? 5.4 volt. This is the correct answer. Okay, that's it for this question. Thank you.